So hello everyone, today I am talking about my daily routine. So first of all, I wake up at 6 o'clock, then I make my bed, then I eat a banana, and then I go to park with my friend. There we do some exercise and then for an hour, and then we go back to home at around 8 o'clock, and then I take some rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I brush my teeth and take a bath, and then I have some breakfast, and study for an hour, and then 11:30 o'clock I go to coaching center with my sister and my friend Pushkar. There first 1 hour I study English, and after that I take some rest for an hour, and after that my other classes start, and then I go back to my home at 4 o'clock. There I take some rest and drink some smoothies, and then I study at 5:30 o'clock, and then 7 o'clock I watch a movie or use my phone, and then I eat my dinner around 8:30 o'clock, and then I walk a few minutes, and then I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. So that's my daily routine.